how to install Docker for Windows 11. So for that purpose, head over to docs.docker.com/manuals. And once you're in here, you're going to be having an overview of what the Docker is. Docker is basically like a developer tools that offers you Docker Desktop, Docker Compose, Docker Build, extensions, and engine. Then you're going to head over to the Docker Desktop. And from here, you're going to head over to install. And for under the install option, you're going to click onto Windows. And then you're going to basically just look out for the system requirements, which is Windows 11. So Windows 11 is compatible with downloading Docker onto the device. Then next up, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go at the end of this page and simply click on download this button from right here. You're simply going to download it. Download the installer using the download button at the top of the page, which is right here. Simply just a Docker Desktop for Windows. I'm going to click on this, and that's going to basically download the file for the Docker. And once the file is downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run that file and installer and basically just set everything up and then naturally follow the intuitive process of downloading and installing Docker on my Windows 11. So guys, this is a simple process of downloading Docker. As you can see, it has already started to download right here, the Docker installer. And this installer is just going to run by itself on its own once it's downloaded.